Hello students, now we will start question number 7 from exercise 8.3. Question is chalk contain calcium, carbon and oxygen in the ratio 10 ratio 3 ratio 12. Find the percentage of carbon in chalk, and another question is there, if in a stick of chalk carbon is 3 gram, that is the weight, what is the weight of the chalk stick? So for that what you have to do, first of all, the particular, for example, this chalk is there, this is not the chalk but we are assuming that this chalk is there, and in that particular calcium, carbon and oxygen give oxygen's parts are there, which is in given in the form of a ratio which is 10 ratio 3 ratio 12, and we have to find the percentage of carbon in chalk. So we have to find only percentage of carbon, not for calcium and oxygen. So for that what we have to do, as we done in this question number 2, whenever this type of ratios are given, first what we have done, first we find the total parts, because from them there we can understand that total number of parts are there, and from that total number of parts, total how many parts are there for carbon. So first of all, our first step will be what, here you can see, first here we will write that chalk contain calcium, carbon and oxygen in the ratio of 10 ratio 3 ratio 12, which is the given, then total equal parts. So for that what we will do, here three ratios are given, so what we will add, these three parts are there of chalk, so here we will add that 10 plus 3 plus 12. So if I will add 10 plus 3 plus 12, I will get 25. So total 25 parts are there in chalk. From that 12 is for oxygen, 3 for carbon and 10 of calcium. So here we have to find percentage of carbon part. So for that what we will do here, for that first of all total parts are 25. So here I will write 25, and carbon parts are how much, 3. So this will be the fraction for the part of carbon. So this fraction is there, and to convert this into multiplication what we will do, sorry, to convert this into percentage what we will do, we'll multiply this number with 100. So whatever the answer, that will be into percentage. So 25 for the 100, 4 into 3 12. So 12 percentage of carbon in the chalk. So here I can write down like this, therefore there is 12% of carbon in the chalk stick. Now another question is there, which is, question is that if in a chalk stick of chalk carbon is 3 gram, what is the weight of the chalk stick? So for example, now you can clearly understand this thing of chalk is there, in that if 3 gram of carbon weight is, it is given which is 3 gram. So in the chalk stick weight of carbon is 3 gram, and we have to find the weight of chalk stick. So now we know the how much percentage of carbon is there in a chalk, it is 12%. So we can write down like this, that 12% of weight of chalk stick is equal to 3 gram, because whatever the weight of chalk, from that 3 gram is weight of carbon, and carbon percentage are how much in the chalk stick, it is 12%. So to solve this type of question you can see here, so you will have understood better. So for that, let first what we will do, we will assume let the weight of the chalk stick be x gram. So there is 3 gram of the carbon in the chalk stick. So can I write down this thing, that 12% of x is equal to 3 gram. Why? Because this total weight of chalk is x, and from that 12% of carbon, just now we have find 12% of carbon is how much, 3 grams. So total weight of the chalk is x gram, and that its 12% is 3 gram, which is the weight of the carbon. So to solve this what we will do, here we will write that, therefore 12 upon 100 multiplied by x is equal to 3. So here I will write, therefore x is equal to 3 multiplied by 100 upon 12. Now to solve this what I will do, x is equal to, now here both are here, 2 5s are 10, and here I will write 50, and 2 6s are 12. So 2 3s are 6, and 2 25s are 50. this 3 and this 3 will be cancelled, so remain only 25. So 25, but 25 is what? It is gram. So at last we can write that the weight of the chalk stick, the chalk stick is 25 gram. So this is how we have to solve this type of questions. Just you need to understood the basic fundas and you will able to solve these sums very easily. So here we are completing this question. If you are having any query or doubt regarding this, you may ask me in comment section. Thank you.